lab, our concept is for the students of school going. The reason is that the foundation education has to be strong, and the robotics education is one field where there is a vacuum in the country. There is not a single brand who has established themselves as a leading as a leading brand to provide the robotics education. There are certain organizations who are providing coding subject, and they are teaching online, and they have been very successful, but we are one step ahead of that. We want all those kids who have learned coding and who are in process to learn coding to experience the applications of coding. That is the real robotics, right? So that is our main objective. So this presentation is based on a story which we have made. We have developed a story, right? So based on that story, we will tell you that why we are launching this brand, what is the market size, what are the opportunities, उसका आज मार्केट में एक्सेप्टेबिलिटी क्या है, और आज ये लॉन्च करने का सही टाइम क्यों है. So we will discuss all those things, and once we finish this presentation, I will try to address all the questions which you might ask. Still, if you have some relevant question, some different questions, so after the webinar is over, after my presentation is over, I will welcome all your questions and I will try to answer every question you have, right? So let's start with the presentation. That is the franchisee partner proposal. Okay. So this is me, and I am the main co-founder, and we'll be having a couple of more co-founders. So we'll inform in the due course. So now, as you can see, that what is the requirement we have as of now? What is the vision of the company? We want to become India's #1 dominant player of robotics education in the starting. Then after that, we want to become the #1 in the Asia. So that is our vision, and we are determined to do that. We want to be the torch bearer, means जो मशाल लेके आगे चलने वाला डिजिटल रिवॉल्यूशन में हम पूरे इंडिया को स्वीप करना चाहते हैं, और हम चाहते हैं कि हर बच्चा इंडिया का स्कूल गोइंग स्टूडेंट डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी का एक्सपर्ट हो. So that is the company's vision. So our vision is not only the business, but our vision is also related to the country's vision, right? Our country is progressing toward the digital India. So far, we want to contribute in a big manner. So now, what is the opportunity? आज opportunity क्या है? आपको पता होगा कि in the month of July, Government of India had come out with a new education policy. And what was the main important thing for us? As per the new education policy, now every student of grade 6 onwards has to study coding and robotics. We were knowing that this is going to come, but now this is there. This is in system. Now from next academic year, every student has to study, because this is the only important thing for the education in coming decade. Everything is related to robotics, artificial intelligence, or coding. So our kids has to study this. But unfortunately, only 1% schools, not even 1% schools, are equipped with a lab infrastructure. They don't have facilities, they don't have trainers, they don't have teachers. They will take 5-6 years to equip them. Very few schools will start with a fresh setup, because they need funds, they need the infrastructure, they need the trainers, right? So that is the great opportunity for us. Okay, schools are not yet ready, and once we launch our system, so we'll get the students. So this is a great opportunity. Another opportunity what we have is that now the government of India is coming up with the Atmanirbhar policy. Means कि India में ही सब कुछ होना चाहिए. We should have skilled domestic experts of coding, robotics, and artificial intelligence of India only. We should not be dependent on the foreign experts. So this आत्मनिर्भर भारत के कारण आज हमको local experts को develop करना है. We need to develop local experts, right? So that is another opportunity. And the biggest opportunity is there कि nowadays all the kids of the school going kids, they are taking keen interest in coding, robotics, and all the relevant fields. They are making their own applications, they are making their own games, they are making their own robotics, different type of kids. They are assembling the robots. So the interest has been developed in the kids. So we want to provide that platform. So that again, great opportunity is with us, right? So opportunity is there, but what is the problem? Opportunity is there, but there is not a single defined robotics education system. जो भी अभी तक आए हैं वो केवल कोडिंग पढ़ा रहे हैं, बट अभी तक कंबाइंड होलसम रोबोटिक्स एजुकेशन के लिए अभी तक कंट्री में न तो स्कूल लेवल पे है न कोई यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल पे है. इतना बड़ा हमारा कंट्री है, इतना बड़ा देश है, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली अभी तक रोबोटिक्स एजुकेशन का कोई एक सिस्टमेटिक ढांचा नहीं बना हुआ है. देयर इज नॉट ए सिस्टमेटिक इकोसिस्टम. So this is another great opportunity we have. There is not a single entity in the country who had so far established nationwide organized robotics education learning centers. आज आपने देखा होगा हर जगह कंप्यूटर लैब्स हैं, एपटेक की है, एनआईटी की है, फर्स्ट रोबोटिक्स की है, पर रोबोटिक्स एजुकेशन इंडिया में 10 साल से है, पर अभी तक कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइज सिस्टम नहीं है, कोई भी ऐसे सेंटर्स नहीं है किसी भी कंपनी के कि जहां आप रोबोटिक्स से रिलेटेड हर चीज सीख सकते हैं. सो दैट इज अनदर प्रॉब्लम. दूसरी प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि नाउ द गवर्नमेंट डज नॉट वांट टू डिपेंड ऑन द फॉरेन टेक्नोलॉजी. दे डोंट वांट टू depend upon the foreign experts. So we need domestic experts, but we don't have domestic experts enough domestic experts. There is a mismatch between demand and supply of the digital experts. जितनी demand है हम उसकी supply नहीं कर पा रहे. So that is the gap. So this is another problem which we are facing. So what is the proposed solution? The solution which our organization, Robo Smart Lab, is bringing is to create a brand with the mission to set up organized robotics education ecosystem in the country, right? So this is the, just 1 minute. So we want to create a brand with the mission to set up organized robotics education ecosystem in the country. And we want to set up thousands of ultra modern robotics learning centers, both in schools and privately through our franchisee partners, with the purpose of producing a large number of highly trained, qualified, young digital technical experts. So our objective is to provide wholesome teaching of robotics. It's not just one part of that. Coding is just like a formula of mathematics. Coding is important. Without coding, we cannot do that. But coding is useless if we don't understand the applications. We don't know how we can use the coding in different applications in robotics and everywhere. So this is very, very important to understand and to set up ultra modern robotics centers across the country with the same curriculum. So this is going to be very, very important, right? So we are going to do that. So this is the problem solution we have. Another solution what we have, we are tying up with the different universities across the countries. For example, Manipal University. For example, Dr. D.Y. Patil University in Pune. For example, Lovely Professional University in Punjab. So we are tying up with these universities so that they can help in developing the fresh curriculum for the school students, right? Which with the projects which are innovative but easy to use, right? Our curriculum is also synchronized with the theoretical syllabus of maths, science, programming of national and international boards active in India like CBSC, ICSC, IB, Cambridge. इनके जितने भी बोर्ड्स हैं उनके साथ में सिंक्रोनाइज करके हमने अपने कैरिकुलम को डेवलप किया है. तो साइंस, मैथमेटिक्स और प्रोग्रामिंग तो बच्चों की स्ट्रांग होगी होगी, साथ में दे विल लर्न अबाउट द मशीन लर्निंग, रोबोटिक्स एजुकेशन, AR, VR, artificial intelligence, coding, each and everything they will understand. So this is the proposed solution we have. And ऑनलाइन टीचिंग के लिए भी हम डिफरेंट अप्रोच अडॉप्ट कर रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं कि फोटो दिखाई और कि ऐसे ऐसे होता है आप कर लो. वी आर ट्राइंग टू यूज द प्रोटोटाइप्स which are like representing, for example, motor. So they are representing, we are making a prototype which is representing the motor, so that they can, students can drag that motor and can use as a real motor. So that's how we are doing the things. So this is the proposed solution B. Now, what is the market size? So this is the most important thing. See, India's strength is its population, right? So we have to encash that strength. See, what is the population can be helpful to us. Now, as every student has to study from the sixth onwards, but we are making the robotics teaching starting from the third grade, now not even the fourth grade. In our board, now we have decided from the third grade. We want to create that foundation level before it becomes compulsory in the sixth. Because once you start teaching in the class of six, it will be brand new for them. They don't have any foundation, so it will be difficult. So from fourth grade to 12th grade, across the country, there are 15 crore students. 15 करोड़ स्टूडेंट है, 150 मिलियन, जो दोनों गवर्नमेंट एज वेल एज प्राइवेट स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं. तो इतनी बड़ी स्ट्रेंथ है स्टूडेंट्स की. हम कितनी भी बड़ी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हो, इवन वी मैच द ग्रुप लाइक टाटा, बिरला और महिंद्रा, still we cannot teach 15 crore students. We need more companies, but nobody is taking the lead. So who will take the lead? It all depends upon that, right? So we have the data, market size of 15 crore students. So these are the students who are our target audience. We roughly assume, suppose only 1% of the students take the interest initially, right? Because it will be compulsory from the next academic year, right? So suppose only 1% strength of the school going kids take the keen interest, only 1%. Then also we have the market size of 15 lakh student, 15 लाख बच्चों के लिए. अगर हमको 15 लाख बच्चों को रोबोटिक्स पढ़ानी है, तो पूरे इंडिया में हमको कम से कम 700 लैब्स खोलनी पड़ेगी. 700 labs, which will take 3-4 years time, not so fast. So it means, I mean to convey, मैं आपको ये बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि इतना बड़ा मार्केट साइज है हमारे लिए. हमारे प्रोडक्ट तो एक हॉट केक की तरह से बिकेगा, क्योंकि we are providing the wholesome robotics education which is not had been done by any other organization at the moment. So large number of available student base is a great opportunity to the organization like ours. हम लीडर्स बनेंगे, उसके बाद में कई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉलो करेंगी, एंड दे विल आल्सो डू द सेम थिंग. सो this was about the market size. Now what is the launch timing? Why this time is important to launch, right? Now because of the COVID, schools were closed. Now vaccination has already started. There is a positivity in the market now. The positive cases have been reduced. Schools have started opening, right? And the new session will start with a fresh mindset from 1st May or mid of June, depending upon the area and the schools. So we are also planning to launch our new labs from the 1st May across the country. First set of the labs. So we are already setting up accordingly. We have already finalized some of the franchisees who wants to set up their labs across the country. So what we did for this launch timing, in the month of May, we did a survey of around 2,500 student parents across the country. And जो हमारा सैंपल साइज था वो हर तरह के पेरेंट्स का था, चाहे वो बिजनेसमैन हो, चाहे गवर्नमेंट सर्वेंट हो, चाहे रूरल बैकग्राउंड के हो, चाहे वो आईएएस ऑफिसर हो, चाहे वो आर्मी और एयरफोर्स में करने वाले पेरेंट्स हो. हर किसी से हमने ये पूछा कि डू यू वांट टू टीच योर किड्स रोबोटिक्स एंड कोडिंग. 78% पेरेंट्स वर वेरी कीन कि देयर किड्स शुड लर्न, उनके बच्चों को एआई या रोबोटिक्स पढ़ना चाहिए. उन्हीं से हमने फिर दूसरा एक क्वेश्चन पूछा कि आप किस तरह से उनको रोबोटिक्स पढ़ाना चाहते हैं, किस तरह से आप उनको आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस पढ़ाना चाहते हैं, केवल ऑनलाइन और फिजिकल लैब में, फिजिकल सेंटर में. तो दिस वाज वेरी एनकरेजिंग कि 90% ऑफ दो 78% पेरेंट्स कीन थे कि उनके बच्चे फिजिकल सेंटर में जाके सीखें। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको देता हूं कि 5th क्लास में बच्चे मोटर के बारे में पढ़ते हैं, डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ मोटर्स, एसी मोटर, डीसी मोटर, सर्वो मोटर्स। They study in the class, they study online, right? So they see the pictures. Okay, they try to understand कि अच्छा ये इस तरह की मोटर होती है, they try to see the video. But imagine the same kid अगर रोबोटिक्स सेंटर में आता है, हमारी रोबो स्मार्ट लैब में आता है, और तीनों मोटर्स उसके सामने पड़ी होती हैं, उनके उसको देखता है कि अच्छा ये इस तरह से इसका फंक्शन हो रहा है, ये इस तरह से काम हो रहा है, ये इस तरह से इसमें हो रहा है, फिर उस मोटर को यूज करके अलग अलग मोटर्स को यूज करके अलग अलग प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाता है, तो वो जिंदगी भर मोटर्स के बारे में नहीं भूलेगा। इसलिए फिजिकल सेंटर्स में एजुकेशन लेना रोबोटिक्स की इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। रोबोटिक्स एजुकेशन केवल ऑनलाइन नहीं पढ़ाई सकती, इसके लिए आपको फिजिकल सेंटर में आना जरूरी है। तो दिस इज द रीजन कि ये सर्वे हमारे लॉन्च टाइमिंग के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट था। दूसरा, कोविड-19 के कारण आज रोबोटिक्स का हर फील्ड में यूज हो रहा है, चाहे वो इंडस्ट्री में हो, चाहे होटल्स में हो, चाहे हॉस्पिटल्स में हो। आज इंडस्ट्री में जब स्ट्रेंथ लोगों की, लेबर्स की कम हो गई थी तो इंडस्ट्री ने रोबोट्स को ज्यादा यूज करना शुरू किया, रोबोटिक्स आर्म को यूज ज्यादा करना शुरू किया। आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के कारण हर जगह आर्टिफिशियल आप आरोग्य सेतु एप्लीकेशन ले लीजिए, यू टेक द ऑनलाइन क्लासेस, एवरीथिंग इज हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ द artificial intelligence. So there is a revolution of artificial intelligence robotics, and now the kids, they want to learn more of the robotics. They want to learn more of the coding. They want to learn more of the applications of the coding. So there is a revolution. आने वाला जो 10 साल है वो रोबोटिक्स का ही है. So coming decade is for the robotics. So this is the important launch timing we have. ये हमारा बिजनेस वर्टिकल है. This is our business verticals. We have the two type of the labs which we are going to set up. One type of labs in the private, the franchisee partners like you, and one setup in the school lab, right? So school lab will be engaging schools for that, but school lab will be is not our main opportunity. The brand will not be created. Brand will be created through the private franchisee labs, standalone labs, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि आपका ब्रांड क्रिएशन। आज अगर एनआईटी ने अपनी अलग से लैब नहीं खोली होती, आज अगर एप्टेक ने अपनी अलग से कंप्यूटर लैब नहीं खोली होती, कोई उनको जानता नहीं, केवल ये कहता है कि कंप्यूटर लैब लगाते हैं, राइट? सो दैट ब्रांड creation is very very important, and we'll have the very strong support of the nationwide promotions on TV and social media and all the possible options we'll be using, right? So we'll be setting up ultra modern robotics learning centers across the country, right? So this is our main product. Now, what is the model of partnership? You are in the ecosystem of franchising. You must have attended number of webinars. You have talked to number of companies, and mainly there are two options of franchisee partnership. One is the FOCO model and one is the FOFO model. FOCO means franchisee owned, company operated, right? So आप अपनी जगह उनको दे देते हैं और कंपनी चलाती है, right? Then there is a FOFO model, franchisee owned, franchisee operated. आप अपनी एक रॉयल्टी उस ब्रांड लेने के लिए लगाते हैं, तो आपकी पूरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है। हमारा जो मॉडल है वो है फोजो मॉडल। इट इज डिफरेंट, हमारी सोच बिल्कुल डिफरेंट है। हम कदम से कदम मिला के चलना चाहते हैं। हम हर जो लैब सेटअप करना चाहते हैं उसमें हम दोनों हर चीज में साथ साथ है। कुछ आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, कुछ हमारा इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, कुछ चीज आप कंट्रोल करोगे, कुछ चीज हम कंट्रोल करेंगे। तो जब दोनों का इंटरेस्ट डेवलप होगा, जब दोनों का इन्वेस्टमेंट साथ साथ होगा, तो आई थिंक दिस इज द बेस्ट पॉसिबल मॉडल, जिससे वो सेटअप अच्छी तरह से फ्रूटफुल, बेनिफिशियली और अच्छे रिटर्न्स के साथ में चलेगा। So this is so welcome to the model FOJO. So this is the new setup, new thinking. So we are calling it a joint venture. हर एक जो लैब सेटअप होगी एक नए प्रोजेक्ट की तरह से होगी, एक नए वेंचर की तरह से होगी, राइट? सो आई होप यू विल अप्रिशिएट दिस फोजो मॉडल ऑफ पार्टनरशिप। तो जिसको हमने एक फ्रेंचाइजी इकोसिस्टम में एक नई डेफिनेशन दी है। सो हमारी स्ट्रेस रहेगी कि हम रोबो स्मार्ट लैब्स प्राइवेटली आप जैसे डायनेमिक बिजनेस पार्टनर्स के थ्रू अक्रॉस इंडिया में खोले इनिशियल ईयर्स में, फिर उसके बाद में हम फार ईस्टर्न कंट्रीज और मिडिल ईस्टर्न में जाएंगे। हो सकता है कि हम साथ साथ मिडिल ईस्टर्न कंट्रीज में भी खोले। वी हैव ऑलरेडी क्वेरीज फ्रॉम दुबई, ओमान एंड ऑल दीज एरिया, दे वांट टू सेट अप। तो इसलिए हमने आप जैसे डायनेमिक बिजनेस पार्टनर के लिए हमने ये है कि हम चाहते हैं कि इन्वेस्टिंग इन रोबोटिक्स एजुकेशन इज लाइक क्रिएटिंग एन इंटेलेक्चुअल असेट आउट ऑफ टैलेंटेड किड्स विथ कैशलेस स्माइल ऑन योर फेस। जब तक आपके चेहरे पे कैशलेस स्माइल नहीं रहेगी, आप खुश होके काम नहीं कर पाएंगे। तो हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि कैश स्माइल तो होनी चाहिए, पर साथ में आप अपनी सोसाइटी के लिए, अपने कंट्री के लिए बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन कर रहे हैं कि आप उन टैलेंटेड किड्स को लेके आ रहे हैं और उसमें एक असेट बना रहे हैं उनकी रोबोटिक्स एजुकेशन। These are the things which we are going to teach in a Robo Smart Lab. This will be a single hub for learning each and every aspects of robotics education. कोडिंग की सारी लैंग्वेजेज होंगी, चाहे वो पाइथन हो, ऑर्डिनो हो, एंड्रॉइड हो, सी प्लस प्लस हो, जावा हो, ऐप डेवलपमेंट, गेमिंग, स्टेम एजुकेशन, मशीन लर्निंग, एरो मॉडलिंग, एआर वीआर, 3D प्रिंटिंग एंड आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस। मैं आपको थोड़ा सा स्टेम एजुकेशन के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ। कुछ फ्रेंचाइजीज को पता होगा, कुछ को नहीं पता होगा। स्टेम एजुकेशन की फुल फॉर्म है साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, इंजीनियरिंग एंड मैथमेटिक्स। ये बेसिकली जो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में पढ़ने वाले सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, उसका डाइल्यूटेड वर्जन डेवलप हुआ है जो स्कूल के बच्चों के लिए है, एंड इट इज रिलेटेड टू द रोबोटिक्स। तो आपका जो साइंस, मैथमेटिक्स और कंप्यूटर प्रोग्रामिंग आपकी थ्योरी पढ़ाई जाती है स्कूल में, उसके उसके प्रोजेक्ट्स, फिजिकल प्रोजेक्ट्स हम लैब में कराते हैं। जैसे मोटर्स के बारे में, बैटरी के बारे में, रेजिस्टेंस के बारे में, ग्रेविटी के बारे में, सारी चीज के ऊपर हम प्रैक्टिकल प्रोजेक्ट्स बताएंगे। तो उससे क्या है कि बच्चा जो है, आपका जो स्टूडेंट है, वो लाइफ में कभी भी वो सब्जेक्ट नहीं भूलेगा। So we'll be teaching each and every aspect of the science, mathematics, and computer programming in the practical arena, right? So he will never forget about this in life. So when he comes to our lab, he will be having good scores in the science, mathematics, and computer programming besides coding and robotics. So he'll be learning so many things in one course, right? So this is the very, very important. 3D printing, will be having a 3D printer, so the students can print their own car. So we'll be having that special type of plastic material which is used in the 3D printer, and he can design their own computer, then he can print in the physical, then he can add the wheels, or he can add the motors or the battery. So many things he can add. So that's how we will be teaching different things in Robo Smart Labs: augmented reality, virtual reality, artificial intelligence, everything we'll be teaching. This is our business projection. So by March, we'll be launching 15 labs. So we are already in process. Already number of franchises have already signed. So, but this is the minimum number. We can start with the 30 labs also, but this is the minimum number. So, and next year we want to set up around 60 more labs, then 90, and then 100. This is the minimum number, but we are expecting that we'll be definitely going ahead with more labs than this. So let's see how many of you will be our partner. We are looking forward and welcome. These are the centers. In coming 2 years, we want to set up 170 locations across the country. So you can see from which location you are. For example, maximum centers we want to open in UP, then in Maharashtra, then we have in Gujarat, then we have in Tamil Nadu, all these places, Rajasthan, Karnataka, everywhere we want to set up, right? Punjab, Haryana, NCR, National Capital Region, all these places. This is the traction. We already have more. Now, the franchise applications are concerned, we have more than 500 applications. So we are just scrutinizing all the business partner. We are seeing their interest, because we want their active participation, right? So many people, they might be having money, okay, I will set up and all, but we want to see their active participation, then only it will be successful, right? And some of the business partners, they already have their premises, or they can take on the rent. That is irrelevant. इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, but they should be serious. So we already have now 3,500 database of the students, more than 450 applications. So already our website is ready, but we'll be launching only in the month of March. But for the business partners like you, we'll share you the link in the first week of February so that you can see. Because for an obvious reason, we don't want to disclose so many things for everyone to see. I hope you understand. These are the attractions. Our Facebook page is active, so we already have different type of promotions which is going on across, so you can just see accordingly. So started aggressive promotions across the country for online courses. Now our focus is on the physical center, so we all are becoming participant in setting up the lab so that the physical centers will start soon. Now, this is the real time to discuss about the business options we have. We have three type of association options, and we have named them golden, silver, and bronze, right? So first, I want to clear. मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि तीनों तरह के लैब ऑप्शंस में लैब की क्वालिटी में कोई फर्क नहीं है. लैब का जो सेटअप होगा वो उतना ही अच्छा होगा गोल्डन में भी और ब्रॉन्ज में भी और सिल्वर में भी, उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं है. फर्क है आपका रिफंडेबल. एक तो फ्रेंचाइजी फीस हमने केवल 2 लाख रुपए रखी है. मात्र आपने देखा होगा कहीं 5 लाख से स्टार्ट होता है, तो हमने हमारी फ्रेंचाइजी फीस इज ओनली 2 लाख टू एंगेज विद द ब्रांड. दूसरा, हम आपको जो रोबोटिक्स मटेरियल है वो खरीदने के लिए नहीं बोलेंगे. प्लीज माइंड, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है. आपको ये नहीं होगा कि हमको इतना रोबोटिक्स ये मटेरियल खरीदना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं, ऑल द रोबोटिक्स मटेरियल हम प्रोवाइड करेंगे. आपको केवल सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट देना है जो रिफंडेबल होगा. गोल्डन प्लान में आपको 10 लाख का सिक्योरिटी डिपॉजिट देना है, सिल्वर प्लान में 8 लाख का देना है, एंड ब्रॉन्ज में आपको 6 लाख का देना है. तो तीनों में केवल 2-2 लाख का फर्क है. बट जो हमारे इन लैब कोर्सेज होंगे उसका जो पे आउट का फर्क होगा. जो 10 लाख देगा ही विल गेट 40% ऑफ द पे आउट. जो 8 लाख देगा उसको 35% है, जो 6 लाख देगा उसको 30% है. So, depending upon the security deposit, you will be getting payout. So, 40%, 35%, and 30%. The online course, which will be happening through our corporate office, everything is same. Your payout will remain only 20%. The reason is your lab will not be used. Your lab is used only for the registration purpose, right? Then approximate infrastructure investment is 6 lakhs, somewhere it might be required 8 lakhs, somewhere it will be 5 lakhs. So on an average, you have taken 6 lakhs. The carpet area will be 1200 to 1600 square feet. Bigger space is better so that we can make the layout accordingly. Now, this is the important thing. So for the success of our system, for the success of our registration, so that we can get the large number of registration, what we have done, we have kept the fee structure at a very reasonable level. हमने बहुत ही कम फीस लेवल रखा है, जिससे so that we can get a large number of students, and we have to put the waiting sign. Okay, now we don't have capacity, you have to wait. So the annual course fee, which is of 80 hours, we are charging 25,000 to 30,000 rupees per student for 80 hours for 10 months course, annual course, right? Except the summer vacation, the student will attend. So this is the only amount of fee. So per hour, if you will calculate, it is hardly any amount. Then still it we will be having limited takers for this annual course. Most of the students, most of the parents will go for this short duration quarterly course, 3 months course, which is 22 to 24 hours. Here I would like to mention one thing. This short duration course will be equivalent to school education of robotics or coding. The reason is in a school, one class is of 35 to 40 minutes, right? So, and you have maximum 36 to 40 weeks in a year. So the total number of teaching hours is not more than 22 to 24 hours. So this short duration course of 3 months will equalize the teaching of school of robotics. But besides the robotics teaching, will be also teaching STEM education. So our course will be much more in depth. And when robotics will be scoring subject, जब किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में आपको परसेंटेज बनानी है या पास होना है, तो दे लुक फॉर द कोचिंग, दे विल लुक फॉर द ट्यूशंस, दे लुक फॉर द other avenues to learn. So our brand will fulfill their requirement. Then besides this, then we'll be having summer vacations courses. Then we have the online crash course. Then we have the offline course. This is very important. We'll be having a innovative thing. जो हमारा रिसेप्शन एरिया होगा, जहां हमारी काउंसलर्स बैठेंगी पेरेंट्स के लिए, हम वहां कुछ शेल्फ्स बनाएंगे. विल बी हैविंग शेल्फ्स एंड विल बी कीपिंग रोबोटिक्स किट्स, विल बी कीपिंग रोबोट्स, so that the student can come the and purchase the robot. If he's not, the parents are not interested to participate in the course, they are not interested to register their kids for the any of the course, they can purchase one of the robot, they can purchase one of the robotics kits, can make the payment, and we'll provide all the tutorials in either in keyboard, or we'll give them the link, right? So with that link they can learn, and so this will be the one time sale, and you will be also earning some commission out of that. Will be also earning, you will be also earning, but it will be less because it will be MRP based thing. Then the most important thing is the specialized courses. So these specialized courses are for the students who are in 11 12, and after 12 they want to take admission in Harvard or in some of the other USA or UK in universities in Australia, New Zealand, Singapore. So they want to pursue their graduation in artificial intelligence and robotics. So they need specialized training. So we'll prefer that one of our trainer who will be all engineers is MTech. So for the specialized course, we'll be having one-to-one teaching. So, and the fees will go from 50,000 to 2 lakh. And there are a number of international robotics competition, and they give you the theme. Okay, this time you have to make, if you want to participate, you have to make this project. So our trainers will prepare the student accordingly. So these are the different type of courses which we are going to promote. Now, this is very, very important before we understand the costing and the benefit and returns. Without knowing the capacity of the lab, we cannot calculate कि आपको कितना रिटर्न मिलेगा इसका. ठीक है, हमारे एक लैब की कैपेसिटी है 40 स्टूडेंट्स. एट ए टाइम 40 स्टूडेंट्स पढ़ सकते हैं. There will be a big hall, not very big, so it is equivalent to 2 classrooms. So that we'll be having 10 tables, right? And on every table 4 students can work on the projects. So there will be a PC, a computer hoga, and 4 students will work on the different projects. So they will be having the robotics kits in the lab. They will take that, and using these kits they will make the different projects. So we'll be having 40 students at a time who can work in the lab. So the capacity of lab is the 40 students. Now let's talk about the annual course. So in the annual course, we'll be having classes only on Saturdays and Sundays को होंगी हमारी classes. And every student will be getting 2 hours of classes, 1 hour on one day and 1 hour another day. So when it is happening on the weekend, Saturdays and Sunday, so the students who are coming on Saturday, they will be coming on Sunday also. And on the weekends, the classes will start from 9 a.m. in the morning till 4 p.m. in the evening. So we'll be having 7 batches. And if we have the more students, we can run up to 5 also. Right. So the capacity of each class is 40, and we have the 7 batches, right? So 40 into 7, so 280 students is the capacity of our annual courses, right? I hope you understood, but you can definitely ask anytime you want. Another capacity, the most important, the revenue generation will happen through the short duration course of the 3 months course. As I have told you, this is a quarterly course. It means this course will run 4 times in a year: January to March, April to June, July to September, and October to December, right? And these courses will happen on weekdays: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 4 days. But during the weekdays, we have the school in the morning, right? So the classes can happen only after 3:30. Then only the students will be able to come. So we'll be having 4 batches every day, 3:30 onwards, 3:30 to 4:30, 4:30, 5:30, 5:30 to 6:30, 6:30 to 7:30. And every class in a week, and 4 batches every day. So total number of classes will be 20. But as I have told you that every student will attend 2 classes in a week. So when the 20 classes are there, the total number of batches will be 10 batches. So we'll be having 10 batches for the short duration course, and every batch is of 40 students capacity. So total number of students for a quarter will be 400 students, and we will be having four course durations in a year. Four course. So 400 into 4 is a 1600 students capacity. Similarly, we have the capacity for summer vacations course and for online course and for the specialized course. That's how the capacity is calculated. But remember, we are not telling that we'll be running all the labs as per this capacity only. It might be 50% of the potential, or we might be having the over capacity also. So this is just a benchmark we are creating. Now, this is the most important thing. The what is the investment and responsibility of the business partner? The first thing is that we need a carpeted area of 1200 to 1600 square feet, right? So this is the carpet area we need. The furnitures and fixtures as per the design. So we'll give you the design. Once we'll sign the agreement, our design team will visit your place, and accordingly we'll give you the layout design. Once we give you the design, you will make it furnished with the furnitures and fixtures. You have to set up 10 tables, the table for the trainers, and the platform for the bigger projects, then air conditioning and a projector. So these are the main things. Then you have to create a reception cum counseling area or parents waiting area and shelf for merchandising. 12 to 14 PCs of the latest configuration, good quality projector, high speed Wi-Fi, fiber or broadband, and you have to appoint non-teaching staff, counselor, cum receptionist, marketing executive, security guard, housekeeper, and center manager. Center manager is required only if franchisee partner himself or herself is not involved. Some of the franchisees, they will take the keen interest. So then we don't need the manager. So then you will save that money also. And recurring expense of electricity, Wi-Fi, housekeeping, consumables, RO water, and salaries. So this you have to take care. For every lab, we have kept a marketing budget of 5 lakh, which we will share. 2.5 lakh by you and 2.5 lakh by us. So what things will be included? We'll use the FM channel. We'll use the hoardings of that city or that location. We will use, we'll do the road shows in the residential societies. So number of things we will be doing for promoting. So this was the part of business partner investment and responsibilities. Now, what will be our investment? So the most important thing is the technical trainers. The most important thing of the lab will be on our payroll and our salary. So we'll get, and they will be only engineers or master of communication, master of computer applications. So only those trainers will be appointing. So there will be 3 trainers so that one can keep off on any of the day in the week. They need rest. So we'll be having 3 trainers and we'll be giving their salaries. And they are engineers, so we have to give them the good salary. So they will be on our payroll. And complete initial setup of Robo Smart Labs. Whatever the number of kits we require to work in the lab, we will be providing. And we'll keep on refilling on the regular basis, right? And we'll be also giving the welcome kit to the new registered students by regular updation of the labs and addition replacement of the new projects. Our academic partners, universities, if they have developed the new project, so we'll make in a large quantity and supply it to the labs. So all the initial setup of robots. And please remember, we'll be also coming up with the humanoid robot, the robot in the shape of humanoid, which can be used to learn programming, to learn action recreation. And the students of 11th, 12th will also learn to assemble these robots. So this is the something very new which we are going to do. Then curriculum development, regular amendments of all the classes in synchronization with national and international education boards. So we'll be keep developing the curriculum. For example, the curriculum of the 5th grade, which we have developed, is of 80 page. So many projects we have created. So we will be doing all these things in there. We'll be providing all the electronic course material and required software. This is not easy. So you can make the physical things, but to make the software and to run on the artificial intelligence is not easy. So we'll be developing. So we have to hire very senior and learned people who create the software. So we have already done that. Then we'll be supplying robots and robotics kits, which will be sold on shelf. So this also we'll be doing, right? So this was the scope of investment from our side. Yes. So this is the return of investment which we are assuring for all the three categories, from the golden, silver, and bronze, right? So it will be cash rich for you. It will be always growing. It will be always growing. Now you will be wondering the how this ratio 145 to 290%. Why so much of variation? If the lab runs to the capacity, full capacity, so in the golden plan, your return will be 290%. Suppose you put, for example, you put 40 lakhs, so you will be getting around 1 crore 10 lakhs if the lab is running in the full capacity. In the silver plant, 265%, and in the bronze plant, 234%. But imagine the lab is running only to the 50% of the potential, right? 1600 की जगह 800 स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं फॉर शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन कोर्स, 280 की जगह 140 स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं फॉर annual course, then also it will be 145%, 134%, 119%. So it is always profitable in all the circumstances. And to prove this, we'll be showing you some of the calculations. So as you can see, the golden plan, the 10 lakhs is the security deposit, 8 lakhs is the in the short duration course, summer vacations, you will get 40%. Here you will get 30%, 35%, or here you will get 30%. For online course, everybody will get 20%. So this is important. And for tutorials, it will be 10%. Capacity, you will be earning 22.30 lakhs. Or in the 50% potential, 10.16 lakhs. And in the 75% potential, somewhere around 15 lakhs. Similarly, for short duration course, 32 lakhs to the 65 lakhs, means 50% capacity to full capacity. So that's how it has been calculated. We'll show you the calculation. So this is how it has been projected. Your cash-rich smile is the only inspiring factor for all of us at Robo Smart Life. We believe in one formula, simple. जब तक हमारे partners are not happy, there is no inspiration for us. Once you will be happy, we'll be happy, and the project will run. So what is the proposed earning window? Within the 9 to 15 months, you will get the whatever payback, whatever the money you have invested, you will get the payback. Even if it is running at the 50% of its capacity. If it is running at the full capacity, you will learn much before that. So with 50% lab operations, annual income with the golden plan is around 65 lakhs, and with the 100% capacity, it goes to 1 crore 30 lakhs. So that is the window we have with the 50% lab operations to 100%. Now, I will show you the, I will end this and I will share you another, just 1 minute. Okay. So now I am sharing this. Yes. So this is how we have done the calculation for payout, right? So as we have discussed, the annual course, which is of 22,000 rupees without GST. So you will get the commission on that. And the 280 student is the full capacity. So the total revenue generated for the lab is 22,000 into 280 is the 61 lakhs. And you get 40% payout in golden plan. So your commission payout will be 24 lakhs only for the annual course with the 100% potential. We assume that Potentially 75%, so it goes to 18 lakhs. And if we assume it goes to 50% potential, then it goes to 12 lakhs. In the similar fashion, for the short duration course, जहाँ cost 11,000 rupees है, and the total capacity of the lab is 1,600 students, the total revenue is 1 crore 76 lakhs, and you get 40% of that, right? So still your earning is 70 lakhs for 100% potential, and 75% for 55% potential you get 52 lakhs, and 50% potential you get 35 lakhs. So it is calculated for all the courses in the similar fashion, and in total with the 50% potential you get 64 lakhs, and with the full potential you get 1 crore 28 lakhs, right? What our survey says is that for the coming year, our labs will run at around 65 to 70% of the potential. So the income will be around in between. So this will be income. Now you will be wondering what will be your annual expenses. So this is the annual earning in the first year and second year also. So what will be the investment in first year and second year? So now this is the slide for first year and second year investment. The first thing is the furnishing as per the layout given. So it might be 8. So we have taken on higher side. If you are doing in the less amount, it will be another saving. So for example, it is 8 lakh of the rupees, right? This is for the furnishing. Layout will be given by us. Suppose you are in a city where the rent is high. For example, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi. So the annual rental will be around 10 lakhs. But the cities like Lucknow, the Banaras, the Patna, the rental will be only 30 to 40,000. So annual you will save another amount. For example, we have just finalized a lab in Lucknow. So we got the premises only in 28,000. But on the contrary, in Hyderabad, we found in 90,000. So it depends upon the city to city. So that's the reason we have taken on average 10 lakhs for a year. Then salary of counselor cum receptionist, excuse me. Salary of counselor cum receptionist, that is 3 lakhs. Sales executive, another 3 lakhs. Peon cum housekeeping, 1,80,000, 15,000 a month. Security guard, same. The electricity of the throughout the year, 2,40,000. It may be less or a little bit less or more. Housekeeping and consumables, tea, coffee, water, RO water and all. So 1,30,000. Your contribution for marketing and sales, as I have told you that we will be keeping a budget of 5 lakhs, so 50% will give, so 2 lakhs. Franchisee fees, 2 lakhs. So we are considering as a golden plan. And 10 lakh is the refundable security deposit, and miscellaneous 1 lakh. So total will be 46 lakh, right? So total amount, the maximum expenses will be 46 lakhs for the first year. Now what will happen in the second year? You are not going to pay the franchisee fees. You are not going to pay the refundable security deposit. And also your layout cost, this furnishing cost is also not there. You have to just invest in the investment. So maximum 1 lakh rupees. So next year, total investment is only 27 lakhs. So now you have already seen our income, which is 64 lakhs, and your investment is 46 lakh first year and 27. So even in the first year, you will be having a margin of around 17 lakhs in the first year. And next year onwards, 36 lakhs. And also another important thing, this earning is based on the 50% capacity of lab operations. Then only you are earning this. So this was from my side, all the calculations, all the factors we have discussed. So I am just stopping this share, and I am there to discuss with all of you about all the aspects you have